So GoPro's biggest action cam rival DJI just launched their fully-fledged action camera, the Action 2, and it has been massively redesigned compared to its previous predecessor. Certainly, this new action camera might be enough on this new contender to turn some heads away from GoPro's flagship. Even though the GoPro Hero 10 has also got some notable upgrades, will it be enough to keep up their dominance like they have been doing it for years? Or will the new Action 2 be capable enough to dethrone the Hero 10 from the action camera realm? To find out, watch till the end, as in this video, we have shown an overall comparison between the GoPro Hero 10 and DJI Action 2, so that you know which one to settle for. So, without further ado, let's jump into the video. First and foremost comes the design. DJI has introduced a whole new modular camera design for the new Action 2. Well, action cams mainly refer to being tough waterproof in a compact housing, and DJI has made the camera more compact than ever. On the other hand, GoPro seems to be quite fond of the regular design, which they have been using for several years. And there hasn't been much innovation for Hero 10 compared to Hero 9. To give you an exact idea, you will find the Hero 10 weighing around 153 grams, whereas the Action 2 weighs only at 56 grams. Moreover, though the cameras offer versatile mounting options for capturing everything on the move, the Action 2 is easier and effortless to swap between different mounting accessories. But DJI has not sacrificed the convenience of the display for the compactness. You will find a durable 1.76-inch OLED touchscreen at the back. And DJI also lets you attach another modular touch display with the main camera for more convenience. On the contrary, GoPro provides a dual display design with the camera. The front display measures 1.4 inches, and for the back panel, you will find a larger 2-inch touchscreen display. Now, let's jump into the main concern, the camera quality upgrades. DJI has upgraded its new action cam with a larger 1.17-inch CMOS sensor. With Action 2, you can shoot 4K videos at 120 frames per second. And it also offers an ultra-wide field of view of 155 degrees, which will let you capture more on the go. But GoPro stays a bit ahead of Action 2 with its all-new GP2 processor that lets you shoot 5.3K videos at 60 frames per second and 4K videos at 120 frames per second. So, if you want a higher resolution for your captured footage, GoPro Hero 10 seems to be the go-to choice. However, both the cameras feature almost similar slow-motion capabilities. But then again, the Hero 10 stays slightly ahead by being able to capture 2x slow-mo in the full 5.3K mode. Nevertheless, the Action 2 is likely to give you a better low-light performance compared to the Hero 10, as it features a larger sensor than the GoPro. This allows the camera to capture more lights and add more details to your captured photos. DJI has also upgraded the stabilization of the Action 2 with Rocksteady 2.0 that ensures gimbal-like stabilization and smoothness. No matter how fast you're moving, the Action will record all of them with extreme steadiness. And GoPro is not staying behind in terms of stabilization, as its HyperSmooth 4.0 is one of the best electronic image stabilization out there. So, neither of the cameras is going to disappoint you while capturing smooth footage. As for the waterproofing, both Hero 10 and Action 2 can be submerged up to 10 meters underwater, and it can be extended up to 60 meters with the waterproofing case. Besides, you can use voice commands for fully hands-free usage for both cameras. Lastly, the Hero 10 offers more battery capacity of 1720 mAh, whereas the Action comes with a 580 mAh battery capacity due to its compact size. But DJI has not compromised the battery life either, as you can extend the battery life for up to 160 minutes connecting with the front touchscreen module, and when connected to the power module, the battery life can be extended up to 180 minutes. The price of the cameras vary based on your preferences. You can get the DJI Action 2 Power Combo Pack at $399 and the Dual Screen Combo at $519, whereas the Hero 10 costs around $499. While both the companies are aimed at the same target market, the DJI Action 2 and the GoPro Hero 10 seem to be suitable for different types of filmmakers. The Hero 10 will give you a higher resolution for videos, while the Action Cam can be best for its versatility and easy swapping between magnetic mounts. Which one did you like the most? Let us know in the comments below. Like and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.